thought we would give you a pre-renovation tour of our 2004 Airstream Classic. It's overall in really good condition, so we don't need to do a whole lot. But there are a few little changes and things that we would like to modify to fit our family a little bit better. So let's go on in and take a look.
Welcome to the Airstream. Right here, we're going to remove the credenza and add a long fold-down table as our dining area. Moving into the kitchen, all we need to do is add a backsplash. We'll paint some of these vinyl and laminate surfaces a nice, simple white. In the bedroom, we're going to remove all of the built-in furniture, put in a fold-out daybed, and add bunks for the boys, giving us plenty of floor space. We'll replace all of the 16-year-old carpeting and linoleum with new, durable vinyl flooring.
I hope that gives you a good idea of what we're looking to do to the Airstream to get it ready to travel around North America and help different camps and ministries. For more information, check out our website at learnservelove.com. Thank you for your interest and your continued prayers and support of us and this work that God has called us to do. Thanks. Bye.